Alright, hi everyone. We're going to be doing a video about how to get some water in the beginning of this game. It was one of the things that I found pretty easy to do and needed to do to be able to survive. So, it's something you're going to get used to doing quite a lot of. Here we go, let's get started. And we need to figure out a way to quickly make water. So, there's a couple ways to quickly do this. Boil water down here. You always have to boil it to be able to get through. Now, let's see. The fastest way that I found so far in the beginning to get it going was always just to run down to this little river I have. And I set up my base pretty close to it. If you call up your map, you can usually see something that would look like some kind of a water channel or actual water. You just follow over to it. Go down here. Put away my machete. Yeah, Mom. Oh, my guy's dehydrated, see? That's why he's moving so slow. This is an important part. That's why you need your water. You need to drink. Keep yourself hydrated so you can actually run around. Goddamn, I'm hungry too. Eat some beans, some whatever the heck that is. Alright, and it's simple. It shows you right there, collect water. So you hold it to collect it. You gotta watch, because if you carry too much, you're gonna get very heavy very fast. You're gonna process it all as soon as you get back, so then you can see it's collecting dirty water. So again, you gotta filter it, you gotta boil it. You need a stove in the beginning to be able to do this. Just take a little bit and bring it back. See how much slower? I have to eat something. Let's see. Let's just eat that. Why not? Give me some energy. Give me some of my speed back. Say, take your dirty water. You have to have some trees. You gotta go cut down some of those bad boys. So if you get that, and you go, go cut down a tree to show you exactly what it is. Find a tree, pull out your axe, and you cut it down. Gather yourself some logs, and head on over to the fancy stove that you have, and you run to boil all the water that you got. Run out of craft. That's it. And that's how you get water. When it's done, it'll come out of the stove and you drink it. Just speed this up and look, see? Boiled water. And then from there you get it, and you can drink straight up. Refresh yourself. Pinkies up. Was that pinkies up? No, it's not pinkies up. Alright, anyway. I did miss one thing. As you get a little bit farther advanced, you'll get these rain collectors. These bad boys up here. You'll be able to make them. Once you could actually make them, you'll be able to get in there and it collects water. I don't know this one collecting. We'll go back to the earlier one. And it collects the water, and from there you can go boil it and do it the same way you would from the river one. But for now, I have another one that's over here set up. It's got this hose, a long hose that goes from this rain collector down over to this barrel, and it collects the dirty water into here, which allows me to store it, which it doesn't have any. It's not raining right now. And then I go boil and I transfer my good water into here. Always have good fresh water. Alright, anyway, that's the start. Alright, we got lucky. It started to rain, so I decided to quickly put this on. It's nighttime, but at least you can see the actual rain happening and see what these things are doing. They collect the water, and you can see how full it's actually getting and how full it's going to be. It's still got lots of room. It's collecting, and it's going to start putting out dirty water from it soon. The other one, I don't know if you can be able to see it. It just started raining, but it's starting to collect, so it's allowing for the output, and it is actually going out. Let's go check this. And it's starting to collect some dirty water inside here. Luckily this just happened, just started to rain as I was about to stop this video, so it worked out. You guys can see what actually happens when you get to collect some of the rain. In the future ones, I know that you can actually set up a filter and everything else, so you don't have to boil the water, but for now I'm happy with the boil, and it's an easy way to keep yourself hydrated, keep yourself running. Good luck. Good gaming.